In this video, I am going to solve a question of JAM 2019 Mathematics, which is of multiple choice question, means single answer is correct. Okay, what the question says, if x to the power h y to the power k is an integrating factor of the differential equation, this thing, that is y into 1 plus xy dx plus x into 1 minus xy dy is equal to 0, then the ordered pair h comma k is equal to ordered pair minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2, or minus 1 minus 1. So before going to solve this question, what we need to know that if any function is an integrating factor, of a differential equation m dx plus m dy is equal to 0, then this differential equation will be exact if we multiply that integrating factor into this equation. Okay, so if we multiply that integrating factor into this equation, then this differential equation will be exact. Exact means del m by del y must be equal to del n by del x. Okay, this is the condition for exactness of the differential equation. This is just the note. So now let us see the question again. In the question it is given that x to the power h y to the power k is an integrating factor of this differential equation. So if we multiply this integrating factor into this differential equation, then this differential equation will be exact. Okay, so we will apply the note here. So now let us multiply this integrating factor into this differential equation. Now what we get, we have to multiply x to the power h, y to the power k into this differential equation. Okay, so x to the power h, y to the power k into y into 1 plus xy into y into 1 plus xy dx plus x to the power h, y to the power k into x into 1 minus xy. Okay, x to the power h, y to the power k, x into 1 minus xy dy is equal to 0. Okay, now what will be m here? This is m, or now this will be n. So this is of the type m dx plus n dy. So this will be exact if del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Okay, now what is m here? Let us write. M is x to the power h. Let us multiply this into this bracket. Now let us multiply this. So what we get m here, x to the power h, y to the power k plus 1, x to the power h, y to the power k plus 1 plus x to the power h into x, means x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1 into y, so y to the power k plus 2. Now what will be n? N will be x to the power h, y to the power k into x. So x to the power h into x gives x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k minus x to the power h plus 1, x to the power h plus 1 plus 1, so x to the power h plus 2, y to the power k plus 1. Okay, so this will be m, this will be n. Now we will differentiate this with respect to y. So del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Del n by del x. Okay, this implies. Now we will differentiate it with respect to y. What we get? K plus 1 x to the power h, y to the power k plus. Again we will differentiate it with respect to y. So k plus 2 into x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1. Okay, this will be equal to del n by del x. So del n by del x will be what? H plus 1 x to the power h, y to the power k minus h plus 2 x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1. Okay, now what we get? Note that here x, coefficient of x to the power h, y to the power k is this thing. Here x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1. The coefficient is this thing. On the right hand side, here coefficient of x to the power h, y to the power k is this thing, and coefficient of x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1 is this thing. So we can compare it. Okay, now comparing the coefficient of x to the power h, y to the power k on both sides. Okay, this one. What we get? We get k plus 1 is equal to h plus 1. Similarly, we compare the coefficient of x to the power h plus 1, y to the power k plus 1 on both sides. What we get? On the left hand side, we get k plus 2. This will be equal to minus h plus 2. Okay. So, from this equation, what we get? K is equal to h. And from this equation, we are getting, this implies k plus 2 is equal to minus h minus 2. So, from this equation, we have got k is equal to h. So here we can put k is equal to h. So what we get, h plus 2 is equal to minus h minus 2. So minus h plus h. So we get 2h plus 2 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2. This will be equal to minus 4. So this implies h is equal to what? Minus 2. K is equal to what? Minus 2. Hence we are getting the ordered pair h comma k is equal to minus 2 minus 2. So clearly the option A is correct. Hope this will help you. Thank you.